How you can check your iPhone battery cycle count. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can check the iPhone battery cycle. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your iPhone settings. So now once you are in, you have to scroll down and here is the option of the privacy and the security. You have to click on it, and from here you have to again scroll down and here is the option of the analytics and the improvement. You have to tap on it, and from here you have to go on the analytics data. And once you are in the analytics data, so now once you are in here, you have to open the current date analytics. So once you open it, as you can see that here in the top right corner there is the option of the share. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to scroll down, and in some cases there is the option of the battery. You have to click on it, and in my case there is the option of the power util. You just have to tap on it, and from here you have to allow the power util to open the Safari with one number. You just have to allow the ones, and after that you are able to check your iPhone battery cycle count. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.